Forests are one of the most important parts of our planet. They give us oxygen, protect animals, and help control the climate. But today, these forests are slowly disappearing. This problem is called deforestation. Every year, millions of trees are cut down around the world. If this continues, it can affect animals, people, and the future of our planet. Deforestation means cutting down large numbers of trees and removing forest from the land. This usually happens when people want to use the land for farming, roads, buildings, or other projects. Forests are important because they help keep nature balanced. When forests disappear, the environment starts to change. There are many reasons why deforestation happens. One major cause is illegal logging. Trees are cut down for wood used in houses, furniture, and paper. Another cause is farming. Forests are cleared to grow crops or raise animals. In some places, forests are also removed to build roads, dams, and cities. In the Philippines, deforestation also happens because of illegal logging. Some people cut trees without permission to sell the wood. Another reason is population growth. As more people need land for homes and food, more forests are cleared. Deforestation has serious effects on animals. Forests are home to many kinds of animals, birds, insects, and plants. These living things depend on trees for shelter, food, and protection. When forests are cut down, animals lose their home and the places where they find food. For example, monkeys, birds, and other wildlife depend on trees to survive. Without trees, they have nowhere safe to live. Some animals try to move to new areas, but not all of them can survive in a different environment. Many animals become weak, hungry, and get hunted more easily because they have no place to hide. Because of this, some species become endangered, and others may completely disappear. This is dangerous because every animal plays an important role in nature. When one species disappears, it can affect the entire ecosystem. Protecting forests means protecting the homes of these animals and keeping the nature balanced. Forests also help control the Earth's climate. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the air and help keep the atmosphere balanced. When forests are cut down or burned, this carbon goes back into the air. This makes climate change worse. Because of deforestation, temperatures can rise and weather can become more extreme. Trees also help cool the environment. Without trees, areas can become hotter and drier. Deforestation can also lead to more flooding because there are no roots to hold the soil in place. Even though deforestation is a serious problem, there are ways to help reduce it. One solution is planting more trees, which is called reforestation. This helps restore damaged forests. Governments can protect forests by creating national parks and enforcing law against illegal logging. People can also help by using less paper, recycling, and supporting eco-friendly products. Even small actions can make a big difference. Forests are very important for life on Earth. They protect animals, help control the climate, and support people. If deforestation continues, it can cause serious problems for our planet. By protecting forests and using resources wisely, we can help create a better future.